there, coin crafters. Welcome back to the channel, where we turn digital opportunities into real cash. Today, I'm going to share 7 websites where you can earn money online from home in 2024. These platforms are based on my personal experience and research, and I'll walk you through each one step by step. Whether you're looking to test websites, teach languages, or dive into affiliate marketing, there's something here for everyone. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to start making money online. Let's dive in. Let's start with usertesting.com. This platform allows you to earn money by reviewing and answering questions about various websites. Companies use your feedback to improve their services, and in return, you get paid. Each test typically takes about 20 to 30 minutes to complete and pays $30. That's an hourly rate of up to $60. To get started, simply sign up on the website, complete a sample test to demonstrate your skills, and start earning. It's a great way to make money while helping businesses improve their online presence. Next up is listverse. This platform pays you to create engaging lists on various topics. Each submitted list can earn you up to $100. The best part, you can use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate interesting lists quickly. For example, you could create a list titled 10 unique ways to save money in 2024, or 7 must-visit destinations for adventure travelers. By submitting just a few lists each week, you could potentially earn an additional $800 monthly. It's a fun and creative way to make money online. Now, let's talk about Rev.com. This platform offers a transcription service where you can earn money by typing out content from audio or video files. Payment ranges from 30 cents to $1.10 per audio minute, depending on the complexity of the file. The flexibility of Rev.com allows you to work at your convenience, making it an excellent option for those with busy schedules. Simply sign up, complete a short transcription test, and start earning. It's a straightforward way to make money from home. Another great platform is Prolific.com. Unlike typical survey sites, Prolific focuses on reputable research studies and compensates users significantly more. You can earn between $6 to $12 per completed task, and the platform connects you with universities conducting research. This ensures that your contributions are meaningful and impactful. To get started, sign up on the website, complete your profile, and start participating in studies. It's a rewarding way to make money while contributing to important research. If you're fluent in a language, Preply is an excellent platform to consider. On Preply, you can earn between $15 to $25 per hour by teaching languages you're proficient in. The platform handles payments and scheduling, making it user-friendly. Even if you don't have prior teaching experience, simply create a profile, set your availability, and start connecting with students. It's a fantastic way to share your knowledge and earn money at the same time. Next, let's explore Clarity.fm. This platform allows you to provide advice on various subjects for compensation. Whether you're an expert in marketing, finance, or fitness, you can monetize your knowledge through one-on-one calls. Average earnings on Clarity.fm are around $100 per hour, making it a lucrative option for those with specific expertise. To get started, create a profile highlighting your skills, set your rates, and start connecting with clients. It's a great way to turn your knowledge into income. Finally, let's talk about ClickBank. This is an affiliate marketing platform where you can promote digital products and earn commissions by sharing links. The best part, you don't need any prior experience to get started. Simply sign up, choose a product to promote, and share your affiliate link. When someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Many people have found success with ClickBank, and I've personally earned a significant amount through this platform. It's a viable starting point for beginners looking to make money online. So, what do you think? Could you see yourself earning money from home using these platforms? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Coincrafts, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more money-making tips. And if you're ready to start your own online hustle, check out the links in the description for all the tools and resources I used in this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.